This combined SetSail toilet brush and plunger set gives you a coordinated way to handle both everyday cleaning and sudden clogs in one compact station. The plungers use a heavy-duty rubber cup that forms a tight seal, so they clear blockages quickly in standard and low-flow toilets, as well as in recreational vehicle and commercial restrooms. The toilet brush has densely packed, stiff bristles that reach under the rim and around the entire bowl, so it scrubs away stains without flattening or fraying easily over time. Both the brush and plungers sit in a stable holder that keeps them upright and contained, so you are not dealing with tools tipping over or dripping on the bathroom floor. The caddy fully shields the working ends from view, which helps the bathroom look tidier while also keeping any residual moisture and grime off nearby surfaces. With 3 plungers included in one set, it is easy to equip multiple bathrooms or keep a spare on hand without needing to buy separate pieces later.